Hey Steve, yeah, my first question, the first thing I spotted here is this looks like a hard-coded inline style. Excuse me. So that's not going to be, I'm thinking, based on what I read, is this would not be overwritten by the styles you've created in the responsive.css because this comes afterwards. And as a matter of fact, I get rid of that right there as well and maybe do a dot thumb space div. Anyways, I get rid of this width and height style right here. Try to put it into CSS. Maybe give the this div container a new class name, right? And then apply the width and the height to the class. So it'd be the same as you have the div class thumb. So div, give this one a class equals thumb 2 if you have to, and then apply your width and your height style to that. So that way you can target it within the responsive.css. Because pretty much once you start throwing in inline styles, that's where responsive has a problem. And the other thing is, I haven't seen this. I Google Translate tool script. I'm just trying to figure out all this little bits and pieces. I guess I'm looking at the right stuff here. Yeah, okay, that would make sense. Um, yeah, so try that first anyways. Get rid of the inline width and height there. Where did I put it? There we go. Yeah, get rid of that. And the other thing in the code that's running it, you want to make sure the code that's running the images is actually scalable. Like the Nevo Slider, there's two versions. The later version of Nevo Slider is responsive. The earlier version is not. And that's actually in the JavaScript code. It doesn't auto resize the images. So that's one of the things there. But you can always do a maximum width and then overflow hidden. So that way, if it does go beyond a certain width, you just don't see the rest of the image, and therefore it won't push things out of alignment in the page. But in response to your question, what I looked at your styles, I think this may be the culprit. So I would at least start with by getting rid of that and then see what happens. Like put your responsive stuff back in, and by all means, just leave the code in there and shoot me a message back with what you have in the responsive.css. I'll take a quick look and see what suggestions I can offer.